Hey everyone, it is Deborah, and I have a little project share and some tips on how to do this little notebook. Okay, so I am working with the KSCRAFT Teacup. I think it's a mini album. So what I did, let me show you what I did. I used these three pieces right here. So you're going to see that this is the base. I cut out the craft cardstock, a chipboard, and then the backing, okay? And I cut those out, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 of them out using this base, okay? And then this is the decorative part for the front. So I did the pattern paper for the front and the back for that. Okay. And then this piece is actual pages inside the notebook. And I cut those out from these very big index cards that I purchased on Amazon. They're actually the 5x8 index cards. Anyway, I use those. So let me show you something about how to punch this. I found out a little trick on my Mini Cinch that I was able to punch these correctly using the Mini Cinch. So if you have this die and you're using this die, I actually put a little note in here. You're going to put your peg, this peg thing, in B, and then you'll slide your paper in there and your covers and everything, and slide it all the way to the back, keeping it straight and even, and punch it, and it punches it. I say it did it pretty evenly, and it did it that way for the pages and everything. If you want me to do a tutorial on this, I'll be glad to. But if you have this die and you're wanting to make a little mini notebook or a mini album or anything, it's super, super simple. And of course you want to decorate it as much as possible. I mean, or as, you know, much as you want. And I just put these 3 little flowers here, and I love it. I think it's cute. I know I can decorate it a little bit more, but it was super easy to make. And if you want a tutorial, I'll be glad to, but I just want to make sure that you know that you could put this peg in the B slot, and you're able to push in your pages all the way to the back and punch them, and you punch them. I think it's pretty even. I mean, it may be a little bit over to the left. It's okay. I think it did a great job on punching it. I mean, you have to account that the handle makes everything wider on the notebook, and I think it still looks proportionate compared to, you know, the little notebook. But I had to try it, and I am so pleased with it. So let's do a little flip through. Here's my little note on this. So this will be my sample notebook for when I'm, you know, make more of these. So these are just the pages that I cut from those index cards. And then here's the back page and the back cover. Oh, I got something on it. I tried to make it where this was open, where you could put a tea bag, but the punch came in, the punch from the cinch went too far into this, so it didn't really make it where you could put a tea bag. But what you can do is when you go to cut this piece, which is that layering piece, go ahead and cut, find that layering piece, this piece right here. You could go ahead and make a little pocket down here by punching another piece of the same paper, make a little pocket, and put a tea bag in there. You could even definitely fit a gift card in this if you made your little pocket. But that just gives you some ideas of how to do this. And this die came with the little spoon. That would be cute to have a spoon across there. And then it has this little scrolly detail, and it has a smaller spoon as well. And then it has this other quilted type layering piece that cuts out the little hearts. That would be cute, especially if you're putting it on a darker solid paper for the background to make those little hearts pop in that. But it would put this quilting detail in the paper as well. So that's what this die comes with. But anyway, it's super cute. And I plan on making more. This is just my sample, and I wanted to, go ahead and show this to you. The only thing, the little pages may be a little bit over too much, and maybe not. They're hanging out just a little bit, but other than that, I'm pretty pleased with this, especially since I found out that little bee, this, putting it right here really lines it up very well for me. And if you have any questions, please let me know. If you want me to do a tutorial, I'll be glad to. And I will talk to you later. Bye.